In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on DeepSearch in Grok. Easy Setup 2026. First, open your browser and head to grok.com. You can use any modern browser, but a recent version will make the interface load smoothly. Once the site opens, you're ready to go. Next, log into your Grok account. This part is quick and, while not strictly required to try DeepSearch, signing in helps save your settings and conversation history so your preferences carry over between sessions and devices. If you're already signed in, you're all set. On the homepage, you'll land right inside the chat interface where Grok is front and center. This is where you'll type your prompts and see responses. Take a second to let the page finish loading so all the controls become visible. Now look toward the bottom of the screen, just below or beside the chat input box. That's where the key controls live. You should see an option labeled DeepSearch near the message field. It's typically displayed as a toggle or button within the same toolbar that includes attachments or mode selectors. Click the DeepSearch control to activate it before you enter your prompt. When it's on, you'll usually notice a small visual change, such as the toggle switching color or a label indicating it's enabled. If you change your mind, you can click the same control again to turn it off. It's a simple on-off switch designed for quick access. DeepSearch is designed to be controlled from the chat interface, so you won't need to dig through main settings. Look for a DeepSearch or research mode icon right next to the text input. It may appear as a magnifying glass with accents or a globe-style icon, depending on your theme. You can also activate it through your prompt. Try a query like, DeepSearch the latest advancements in solid-state batteries from 2026. Grok detects that request and engages deeper research automatically. In some cases, if Grok recognizes that your question needs higher-level discovery, it may enable DeepSearch on its own without you touching the toggle. Once DeepSearch is on, type your question as you normally would and send it. Expect a bit more processing time as it pulls together a broader, more thorough answer. If you don't immediately see the DeepSearch control, resize your window, scroll the chat bar, or refresh the page so the toolbar fully loads. That's it. Go to grok.com, sign in if you want your progress saved, find the DeepSearch toggle near the input box, click to enable, and start asking richer, more complex questions. Enjoy exploring!